Has your U.S. visa expired or no longer matches your current immigration status in the U.S.? Well, you may still be eligible to re-enter the U.S. after a brief trip to Mexico or Canada through a program called automatic revalidation. Hello and welcome back to The Immigrant Lawyer. My name is Leah and I'm a California licensed attorney. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more U.S. immigration videos like this one. In this video, we'll talk about what automatic revalidation is and how you can take advantage of it. Also, quick shout out to my amazing cousin for inspiring today's topic. He recently changed status to H-1B after getting accepted into medical residency here in the US. So, if the visa or admission stamp in your passport has expired or no longer matches your immigration status in the US now, either because you changed status from one non-immigrant visa to another, such as from B1, B2 visitor to F1 student or H1B, or you got an extension on your non-immigrant visa while in the US, you can still travel to Mexico or Canada and come back into the US if your trip is for 30 days or less and you have a valid unexpired I-94. If you changed or extended your non-immigrant visa while in the US, your new I-94 record of admission is the little perforated box on the bottom right corner of your I-797 approval notice, and you can also look up your electronic I-94 record on the Customs and Border Protection CBP website here. Now, to take advantage of automatic revalidation, first, determine whether you need a visa to Canada or Mexico. You usually wouldn't need a visa to Mexico if you already have a valid US non-immigrant visa. And for Canada, you can check whether you need a visa by going on the Government of Canada website here. Then make sure that you have and take with you the proper case-specific documents. So for example, if you're on F1 student, these documents would include your current I-20 or OPT EAD, and if you're on H-1B, this would be your I-797 approval notice, as well as proof of your employment, like copies of your pay stubs and the offer letter from your employer. And of course, you gotta have your valid unexpired passport. If you want to be extra prepared, you can also call ahead and get in touch with the airlines that you'll be flying with or traveling with to make sure that they're familiar with automatic revalidation so that you wouldn't encounter any issues on the days of your travel. Other things to keep in mind about automatic revalidation: if you are on F or J status, you can also travel to an adjacent island in addition to Canada and Mexico. Also, at this time, automatic revalidation is not available to those who have applied for a visa at a US embassy or consulate abroad and are still awaiting a decision on that visa application, or a national of a Department of State terrorist designated country, which currently include Syria, Iran, North Korea, and Cuba. Thanks for watching today's video on automatic revalidation. Comment below if this is something that you've tried before. We'd love to hear about your experience. See you next time here at The Immigrant Lawyer.